Hello, I'm Michael Glass from the FXcast Market Analysis team. This is our FXcast Market Analysis trading plan. In each of our videos, we try to identify high probability trading setups. We'll evaluate the gold chart to see if there's any leading sentiment. We will create a low volatility watch list, an inside bar watch list, and we'll review the economic calendar to see if there are any releases that could affect our open and new trades. As always, please send your comments and feedback to analysis@fxcast.com. As usual, we are starting off with the gold chart, and we're seeing sort of a rising three pattern here as we make our way back up above Friday's high. So the question again is going to be, are we going to retest this past swing high? We put an inside bar in yesterday. We closed above that, so that typically indicates a continuation, but you never know. When we come over to our hourly time frame, we can see this was the vacuum that we talked about, and we said there was some volume being put in here around 1785, and then we said the next area to be concerned about was 1817. We got there, we consolidated there, and then we pushed higher. If we drag back over, let's see, 1817 is our point of control, and we can start to see where we could get some movement. So you can see probably the next area is 1853 is our next area of concern as far as volume resistance. What we want to do is see our point of control 1817 up to about 1822 hold up as volume support, and again our next area will be in the 1850s for volume resistance. So a good day for gold means what to our currency pairs? Well, we saw a little pullback here. Again, yesterday we went up and tested our long-term horizontal resistance at 1.64, went up and pulled back, and then today's action came, and then noticed that our uptrend line was defended again. The sellers pushed us through, and the buyers brought us right back. So we're going to continue to watch this trend line. If we break below 1.6235 here, then we'll start looking to come down to 1.6. But right now, we're going to watch this uptrend line. On our hourly time frame, we can see we are below our long-term moving average. We are in a buy zone, but just fractionally. We were there, and now we're kind of on the edge of the buy and neutral zone. We can see basically that the dollar took control right here, and that's what's caused our price action moving down, that the dollar was in control. So as long as the dollar is in control, then on our daily time frame, we'll see price move lower. But again, it looks like the past couple of days, you can see these wicks here at 1.6235. Buyers are finding value. They're defending the line here. So we'll see. And even not just with our uptrend channel, but if we go back to our July time frame, we can see again this 1.62 price level was where buyers were finding value in the past. On the euro dollar on the daily, we also see the pushback off of the resistance, long-term resistance at 1.45, and we'll see if the moving averages here can hold up. You probably could draw a secondary uptrend line in here, but since this is a lot of consolidation, really just going to watch and see what happens here. We are on the hourly time frame above our long-term moving average, but we're sitting in the neutral zone, so we're in neutral above a long-term moving average. And here, once again, the dollar took control right in this time frame here, which caused our push down. So as long as the dollar is in control, just like the pound dollar, we'll see the euro dollar continue to move lower. I will watch just to see. We'll take a quick look here, see if there's anything in there. I don't really like it. Don't like it. So we'll watch the 1.435 to see if that holds up the low of the day here. If the dollar stays in control, we will continue to push lower. Finally, we have the dollar franc. With the dollar being okay today, we can see that we continue to push a little bit higher, making an inside bar within yesterday's range. So if we can break above this 0.8225, it makes sense for us to go test 0.83. Inside bar breaking above, volume pretty much remaining the same. However, what do we see? We continue to stay in a sell zone. We continue to be a long-term moving average. Yet we're not seeing this move down. Why? Because the dollar remains in control. And as long as the dollar remains in control, we will continue to push higher. As we come to our watch list, we always start off with our low volatility watch list, which is our 1 hour time frame using Bollinger Bands. We'll be watching the dollar franc, the dollar Canadian, and the dollar yen. These are also going to be our inside bar candidates, the dollar yen, the dollar Canadian, and the dollar franc. So we can see that our dollar currency pairs are consolidating, so we want to watch for a break, preferably in the direction of the trend. Let's go check out our economic calendar. As we come to our economic calendar, we can see, as we've been talking about, our unemployment rate, employment situation is coming to fruition this week. We've got it for Germany, we've got it the European Union, we've got ADP for the States, we've got GDP for Canada. So a lot of things coming out today. And again, certainly can move the market. As we saw, the dollar currency pairs are consolidating, maybe leading up to today or Friday's employment situation. So we'll have to trade how the market reacts to these news releases. We would like to thank you for watching our FXcast market analysis. As we continue to improve and make adjustments so that you're getting value from our videos, we want you to take the time to give us feedback, give us comments, send us questions about what you would like to see in our videos, and you can send those comments and feedbacks to analysis@fxcast.com, or you can post to our daily forum. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you next time.